Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I am Nahida. Today we are making a rich, creamy and fruity summer dessert, Mango Dahi. It's smooth, it's refreshing and it's filled with tropical flavor. Let's get started. Take 2 cups of curd or yogurt. Strain it over a clean cotton cloth. Always use thick curd or hang curd for best texture. Mango Dahi is inspired by the traditional Bengali dessert Misti Doi. Remove the excess water until thick and creamy. This dessert is popular during mango season in many Indian households. It combines fruitiness with creaminess of yogurt in one bite. Now pour it into a bowl. Add 1 cup of fresh mango pulp. Mango is known as the king of fruits for its rich taste and nutrition. Add half cup of condensed milk. Mix everything until smooth and silky. Curd helps improve digestion and strengthen immunity. Mango is rich in vitamin A and antioxidant. Take a 6-inch mold. Grease with oil and place baking paper. Pour the mango curd mixture into the mold. Boil some water in a steamer. Steam the mango dahi for 30 to 35 minutes. Don't oversteam, it may curdle. Let it cool down for 1 hour. Refrigerate before serving for best taste and texture. This dessert is naturally cooling and perfect for hot weather. It's a great calcium-rich treat for kids and adults alike. Top with chopped dry fruits for a perfect finish. Our mango dahi is ready, creamy, fruity and chilled to perfection. Do you like fruity dessert or classic sweets? Have you ever tried making dahi-based recipes at home? Tell us your favorite mango recipe in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching Enoven Cake and Cookies. We hope this summer treat becomes your new favorite. See you next time with another sweet recipe.